Alright, here's the challenge. We are running through the snow with our shoes on. Shoes on. Alright, are you ready? Yes. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Yes, we are! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh, alright, let's keep going. Oh, we're...
So deep.
It was! Oh god! There was freezing rain last night. So... Alright, here we go. Let's keep going. Ah! That's the deepest part, because like that's where the ditch is. Oh my god. Ah! I sunk all the way. Almost. It hurts the shins though. Yeah. Alright, I got you. Oh. Alright, come on. Alright. Man, I'm surprised I didn't fall. Oh. This is... Oh! This snow. It has a freaking ice layer on it. It's so deep here. Almost thigh deep. It's about knee deep right now. Alright, you did it. Oh. Ah. Yeah, I think so. Oh my god. Do you want to walk through my yard? Okay. Well, we did it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed us in our...
See ya!
See ya!